Hello everyone, in today's tutorial video I'm gonna teach you how to fix Messenger sound problem. First of all, tap on Messenger app in your device. After that, from here you can tap on the three lines on the top left of the screen and head over to setting. Here you can check if the sound and notification is turned on. Scroll down and tap on notification and sounds and make sure that this option is toggled on. You can also try switching the ringtone. The next thing you can try out is head over to the setting of your phone, scroll down and tap on notification and control center. Tap on app notification, scroll down and tap on messenger. Make sure that notification is turned on. If you scroll down, you will see an option for chats and calls. Make sure that the sound option is also turned on for calls and also for chats. If this does not fix the problem, you can try to upload the messenger application. Tap and hold on, head over to app info. From here you can tap on clear data and tap on clear all data and clear cache. What this does is fix any kinds of bugs that are causing the problems. So after you do the steps, your messenger problem should be fixed. Thank you.